by your bounty. I will be found wanting scales of justice. Only your compassion, O Lord, will suffice. Jeki manj jahan so tariya tage तुझे लुत्फ जी लतीफ चे तो वट कमी कान अदले छुटा ना आऊं को फेरो कज फजल जो हाणे आऊं तकरीर जे लाइ गुज़ारिश कंदुसि जेको पाण उम्मीदवार आहे वाइस ऑफ मेहरान 2014 जो मिस्टर रादिल चन्ना. हैव अ बिग क्लैपिंग.
Outside, with the Sulam of Allah, the omnipresent and omnipotent, respectable guests, teachers, and all dear friends, Assalamu alaikum. Today my topic is Latif and Sindh. So I start my speech with this poetry. Asul Khan Abdul Latif Fateh hai, Razamando Rahman, Jode Jeh Quran. Sindhiya mein sahi kayo. Respected sir, the son of Sayyid Habib Shah, the philosopher and scholar of Sindh, who invented a musical instrument, taburo. He was Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. As being a Muslim, it is important to have Holy Quran in home. Same like that being a Sindhi, it is really very important to have Shah Risalo in home. Respected sir, Shah Latif says in Sursasu Yabri, the hopeless one, if you wish understand the secretion, study you yourself is everything. As he says, Peija Pana me Kamru Aryan, Peija Pana me Kamru Aryan, Tanako Ranga Dehame Naka Kechan Khan, Punuthias Pan, Sasuita Surawa. Respected sir, in Surdasi, the sun soil Shah Latif says, without the beloved, there is nothing. Go to the native land and go and as he says, Desi Sena Kajan, Pardesi Kera Piri, Desi Sena Kajan, Pardesi Kera Piri, Ladu Ladana Kayo, Peje Desvayan, Pujana Pirin Kaje, Bas Babo Rakha. Respected sir, those who strive hard and shed tears in the street, they can have their destination in need the beloved. As he says, Voy Kandi Vande, Mata Voy Visari, Voy Kandi Vande, Mata Voy Visari, Pani Har Mapadro, Roy Majhae Rat, Sabur Vado Sat, Sigha Medi Supreme. Respected sir, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai says they try to be true Muslim and apply high path and stop doing evils, and he gives the example of Karbala and says they were all Muslim in Karbala who killed and washed the hands with the blood of Ahlul Bayt. As he says, Karbala je prame Hindu had na hua, Karbala je prame Hindu had na hua, seke pid hua, Quran jani je kach mein. Respected sir, Shah Latif and his poetry has a great way of passing life. We should all study the Shah Risalo